Imagine a motorcycle so powerful that it doesn't just ride the road. It dominates it like a fighter jet skimming across the runway. A machine so strange, so futuristic, so aggressively advanced that even Honda fans are calling it the Golden Jet. Today, we dive into the unbelievable world of the Honda Gold Wing Jet-Turbine concept, a half-motorcycle, half-jet engine beast that looks like it escaped from the year 2050. The moment you look at the Honda Gold Wing Jet-Turbine concept, your brain struggles to decide what it's seeing. Is it a motorcycle? Is it a jet? Or is it something completely new, an evolution of transportation that refuses to stay inside the boundaries of engineering tradition? Honda's Gold Wing has always been the king of luxury touring bikes, a smooth machine built for comfort and long-distance power. But this concept breaks every rule we know. Instead of focusing on comfort, this design pushes the Gold Wing into an extreme combat aerodynamic direction. The body is shaped like a stealth aircraft, sharp edges, wing-like fairings, a turbine intake nose, and glowing neon trails that look like afterburners firing up during takeoff. Inside the concept lies the biggest twist, a jet-turbine hybrid propulsion system. No, it's not a real turbine engine yet, but the concept imagines one. A system where combustion, airflow, and electric boost motors work together to deliver acceleration far beyond what any production bike has done. We are talking instant thrust, fighter jet-style overhead air scoops, and a thrust vectoring tail that looks like it could lift off the ground if pushed hard enough. Even though it's just a prototype idea, the engineering imagination behind this design is wild. The seat position is lower, almost like a jet pilot cockpit. The handlebars are narrow and extended, giving the rider a fighter pilot stance. The dashboard isn't a cluster, it's a holographic HUD that projects speed, GPS, turbine pressure, and thermal maps directly into the rider's line of sight. Imagine riding at night with glowing turbine indicators and neon pulses spreading across the fairings as the hybrid system activates. The lighting alone makes the concept feel like you're controlling a vehicle from a sci-fi movie. But here, where things get interesting, Honda didn't just imagine a fast bike, they imagined a responsive beast. The Gold Wing Jet concept includes adaptive aerodynamics, panels that open and close based on speed, wind resistance, and engine load. At low speeds, the bike stays compact, sleek, and grounded. But as speed rises, hidden vents open, wing flaps adjust, and airflow channels activate to create downforce. The motorcycle literally transforms as the rider accelerates. It behaves like a jet, adjusting its wings for different flight phases. Of course, the big question is, will this ever come to life? Honda hasn't confirmed anything. Concepts like this are mostly creative experiments, design studies that test ideas, push limits, and spark conversation. But the reason this design is capturing global attention is simple. People want a future like this. People want machines that look crazy, machines that feel alive, machines that rewrite what a motorcycle can be. If Honda ever decides to turn even 10% of this concept into a real production vehicle, the motorcycle world will change overnight. Just imagine a gold wing with aerodynamic intelligence, turbine-inspired power delivery, holographic instruments, and aggressive styling that turns highways into runways. Motorcycles have always been about passion, freedom, and thrill, but this concept adds something else: wonder, a sense of awe. A peek into the future where machines don't just transport us, they transform us. And that is why the Honda Gold Wing Jet-Turbine concept has become a viral phenomenon. It's not just a bike, it's a vision, a dream of what happens when engineering refuses to stay normal and starts thinking like a fighter jet designer. Maybe one day we'll ride something like this, maybe we won't, but the idea alone is enough to make our hearts race.